feature, display the inspector and select the Gripper Properties tab, then select Enable Gripper. The non-uniform scale graphic is the red, blue, or green box displayed along the associated X, Y, or Z axis. Move your mouse over the box, select and hold it to scale along that particular axis. Red scales along the X axis. Blue scales along the Y axis. And green scales along the Z axis. You can scale curves, surfaces, or solids. And lastly, use the data entry window to scale a precise amount.